Hello guys, welcome to iMobi channel. Have you accidentally deleted text messages on your phone? If you're Samsung user, you can retrieve them from trash, cause it will keep them there for 30 days. However, other Android phone like Huawei doesn't have this feature. Then how to retrieve deleted messages those phones? No worries, in this video, I'll show you some tips on how to retrieve deleted text messages on any Android phone. Every Android phone has their own cloud service, so you actually can go to the Android settings to find backup and restore options. For example, Samsung users can go to the account and backup in settings, and tap on restore options. And for Huawei users, you can go to system and updates, then you will see the backup and restore option. But you have to once logged into your phone account and turn the cloud backup service. Here I only logged into the Samsung account, so let's try on Samsung. Tap on the backup it shows, you will see messages, select it and tap on restore and wait for a second, you retrieved your text messages successfully. You can go to check it on your messages app. Tip 2 also works on any Android phones. Only if you have logged in the Google account on your phone. In most cases, Google will ask you to turn on auto backup when you are logged into a phone. And most people just allowed it without thinking. So if you want to retrieve deleted text messages on your Android phone, then this method must be the first to remind you. You just need to go to Google in settings to check if there's any backup. Or you can log in your Google Drive on PC to have a check and restore the SMS, which means text messages. Here in the second method, firstly download DroidKit from description link, then open and hit data recovery option. And choose the deep recovery option. Then choose what you want to restore. Here choose messages and then hit start option. And then enable USB debugging in your device, and it takes some time to connect your device. And then hit the start option. After that it will check for root status and then all your messages is seen here. Choose what you want to restore. Here you can choose PC or device to save these messages. And that's it, all your deleted messages is being restored. No matter which Android phone you are using, it can help you get your messages back. If you don't want to lose your messages anymore, try to keep a good habit, like enabling backup on your phone. Huawei phones will always ask for enabling cloud backup in the Messages app. You can easily tap on it and turn it on. Or go to the Google account in your phone settings and tap on backup to schedule the auto backup. Then if you accidentally deleted your text messages again, you won't be in a panic. Or if you are worried about cloud services security problems. Actually, you can do a screenshot of the messages that you don't want to lose. That's all for today's video, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more tips, and leave your comment if you have any questions.